Hey, what's up guys? So today we have this huge box to unbox. So this is HP Victus 15 laptop. So I bought it around $600 on a offer. So this one I just got it and let's unbox it together. So I have already done unboxing actually to check because I bought it from online. So I had to like check it before doing anything. So anyway, let's do it together. This is a huge box and I will show you all the things what we are getting. And so with this laptop, first of all, if you unbox it, you will get the laptop. And here we have the laptop. And also we got a power cord and the manual and also a power adapter. So this one is not a type C adapter actually. It's a barrel jack and it's about, as you can see here, it's about 200 watt. So it's 200 watt, and as you can see, the barrel jack, and it's pretty similar to all other HP laptops one actually. It's pretty similar. So keep this thing aside, and this is the manual. And also we got a bag actually with it, which is actually a really good one actually, as you can see here. I think this bag is waterproof and it looks nice actually, and the G parts actually really good on this bag, and pretty nice bag with this device. So let's check the laptop, which is the main thing here. So first of all, as you can see here, and let me take this one out. So here I have the bill actually for this laptop, and as you can see here, the price of the laptop is around 26,000 baht actually, and I got it in on offer. I had to pay about 22,545, which is around $600, and if you convert it in Indian rupees, it will be about 50,000 rupees or a little bit more. So as you can see here, date of purchase is 13/6/2024, and as I have ordered it from online, so I got it on 15 actually. So let's check. Also you can check the specification of the laptop. It's got Intel Core i5 13 generation 13420H processor, 16 GB of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, which is PCI 4 M.2, and RTX 3050 6 GB, and the RTX 3050 here is actually 60 watt TDP. I don't really know it is a good one or bad one. I don't really know about TDP of the laptop, but whatever I know, I just telling you. And other things like 15.6-inch display, which is 144 hertz, and it is IPS panel, Windows 11, and 2 years on-site warranty. So that's a cool thing actually, the on-site warranty. If anything happens, they will come to your house and fix the laptop for you. So that's cool. Let's see what we are getting with the laptop. So this laptop is pretty huge, and first of all I have to say that this is a fingerprint magnet. So if you touch anything, everything, as you can see here, if you touch anything, it will be there, the fingerprint will be there. And let's try to open it one hand. So you can actually do it, but it's a little bit hard, but you can do it. And by the way, this laptop is fully plastic built, as you can see here, fully plastic, everything is plastic. And if you check the port, actually we are not getting a lot of port here actually. So first of all, we are getting the barrel jack here, and there is a USB 3.0, and also we got 3.5 mm combo jack here, and on the there is a SD card slot, as you can see here, and the speakers are on the bottom. And I did try out the speaker, actually they are pretty good for a gaming laptop. So on this side we have HDMI port and USB 3.0, and one, maybe this one is 1 gig internet port. And also we do have a type C port here, which is not a Thunderbolt port, but it does support charging, so you can see the charging logo there. So let's open, and there are some branding here, and the bands are this side and on the bottom. I don't really know how many fans are there, so those things are there. So let's open the laptop right now. So it's a bit big and very heavy, actually it's about 2.2 kg, and it's not really small laptop. So open it and let's turn it on. I hope you can see. and as you can see, it's turning on. The keyboard here actually is not RGB, but it's okay, maybe, I don't really know. And the speakers are tuned by Bang on Olufsen. As you can see here, their logo is there, and as you can see, the laptop is on because I already set it up yesterday. So well, you can see, as you can see, the laptop display and everything. So now let's check what we are getting with this laptop. So we will go to task manager directly. So in the task manager, as you can see here, so we are getting the CPU here is actually Core i5 1342H, and this one is actually 8 core CPU. As you can see here, base clock is 2.1 gigahertz, and it can go up to maybe 4.5. As you can see, now it is going up to 4.5. And the RAM here is actually not really that great. There is two sodium DIMM, 8 gig 8 gig and 16 gig total, and there the bus split is 3200 megahertz, which is very less for this kind of laptop. And going with the disk, as you can see, we got a Samsung disk here, which is 1 terabyte, PCIe 4 M.2, so that's also there. And going with the Wi-Fi, as you can see here, is Wi-Fi 6E, 160 megahertz. And the GPU here, we got Intel GPU, and another one is NVIDIA GPU, as you can see, RTX 3050 8GB laptop GPU. So I did check everything on this laptop. Actually, everything is working perfectly fine. I haven't find any kind of issue right now, and also I'm not really worried about any kind of issue. Now talk about other things. The display is pretty good, but it is only 250 nits, so outdoor visibility will be very horrible. But these kind of laptops are for indoor only, so I don't think it's going to be that much issue, because if you are a gamer, you're going to game on your desk and not like taking it somewhere else. And this one is pretty heavy laptop, so I don't think anyone will carry this laptop. It's pretty heavy. And other things, like as I said, the speakers are doing pretty well on this device actually. And let me open a video. The speakers are here.
I was a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the dark.
So the speakers here actually pretty good for a gaming laptop, I have to say that. And one thing which is pretty horrible on this device is the camera. So let me give you a try. So if you would like do video conferencing with your laptop, I don't think it's going to be a good thing. So as you can see, it's pretty horrible. So the camera is pretty bad on this device. So it's a 720p camera, so what you can expect from this, I don't really know, but it's pretty bad actually. It's pretty bad camera. And other things, like the laptop is working perfectly fine, no issue that. Obviously it's pretty cheap feeling laptop, but as you can see, the keyboard, there is no keyboard flex at all, and quite sturdy actually. And if I press really hard also, there is no keyboard flex actually, it works. And the trackpad is also pretty big, as you can see here, it's pretty big. I don't really know it's a glass trackpad or not. It feels like it's a glass trackpad, and it works flawlessly, no issue. All the gesture works flawlessly. And as I said, the keyboard does not support any kind of RGB. So as you can see, it's directly white light and pretty visible, and I don't see any issue with the light. And obviously, as a gaming laptop, it should have like RGB light. But anyway, price is like really good, so I can't really complain. And I don't really know it's a like good device for like $600 or not, or you might find better deal uh, with $600. Maybe you can get better device, but for me, it's a really good device. And I don't really know how much it's going on in another country, but as I got it in like in offer, so it was about $600. So as you can see here, all the information are here, and it's a heavy device, as I said, but pretty good actually, and pretty steady. And also it gets hot actually. Now it's hot now, and the fans are spinning, but you can't really hear them right now. and I still did not do any kind of gaming or anything like that right now, but maybe I will do those things. But I'm not going to do any kind of review on this device as I'm not a laptop expert. I just did unboxing because I got it and just did the unboxing. So that's all about this device. I hope you like this video. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.